Good morning, viewers, and welcome to a gateway with a view. This is Victoria Park, Queensgate. There's more park over there, but the best bit of all is there's Frankie over here. And what the heck am I doing here in central London? Or central-ish. On Frankie. Surely this is Vaynetta territory. Well, as you may have guessed from the title of the video, today I'm on my way to a BikeSafe course. So here you ask, Noob, why are you doing a BikeSafe? You've already done your IAM, you passed your IAM, you're training to become an observer. Well, I don't think I know everything, and it's always a good time to learn something new. Never a bad time to learn, is it? And those guys are police motorcyclists. They're so impressive. They're so smooth, so observant, so safe and fast. So I'd like to see what I can learn from them. And this is a nice way to do it. It's a day off work. It's a day out riding. So the question is not so much why, it's why not? Why wouldn't I do it? Why wouldn't you do it? Go out with the police, they're off duty, they're not going to book you. They'll give you some tips. They'll teach you some stuff. I'll make you safer, I'll make you smoother, I'll make you a better rider. Cheers. Morning. Do you want me to move?
Just park. No, it's fine. Hi, sir. Well, I'm Gordy.
Hello, I've seen you in the videos.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, with morning.
You're very lucky, you're very lucky. Well, we need to do a little thing called powders check, yeah?
Yes.
So have you got P's petrol, you've got enough fuel?
Yes.
O's oil, have you checked your oil levels?
Yes.
W, if it's water cooled, have you checked your water levels?
Yes.
Any damage to your bike, your box
all good.
And all that, everything all tight.
Yep,
Yeah?
yep.
E is electrics, we just need to check your indicators for you. Yeah. And no hazards individually.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Off, and then your front brake. Yeah, rear brake. Yeah. Pass light. You might need to switch your on for that.
Really?
Yeah, it's fine. You had it right. I just need to switch it on. Woo! Yeah. And your horn. That's it. Switch her on. It's a nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah, this like
It's an unusual colour.
yeah, they did it for 1 year only. God, it's hot.
Yeah, look, we're going to be here for a couple of hours.
Yeah.
So you need to just take your paperwork through, and I believe just go through those doors there, and then the next arch along, okay? And then my colleagues will check your paperwork.
Fantastic. So the start of the ride here out of the bike shed, and I am the lead rider. Got the police biker behind me, and then we've got a second rider. Yeah, I had the lens cap on. Idiot. Go on then. So I went from Abridge to Finchingfield.
That's a great way for me to look.
And you can watch that all the time.
That is, you know, so it's great that you're...
Right, so Steve has given me a task to focus on accuracy and smoothness, identifying where I want to be and then holding that position up. It's quite good feedback. It's good to see that you two are still talking to each other. I said it's good to see that you two are still talking to each other.
Oh, we had a bit of a kiss. We never not talking to each other. Never helped us.
So that was a very interesting and enjoyable day out with the Metropolitan Police doing a BikeSafe workshop. Set off from the BikeShed Motor Company in, what's it called, Hackney, Bethnal Green area, Shoreditch, that's it. BikeShed in Shoreditch in central London, and then following on all the way to Finchingfield, which is kind of a familiar route for me, but it was great to get some feedback from the police rider. I think it's really helped and picked up on a couple of things I can improve on and practice. But basically, he was fairly happy. with my riding. He said I should concentrate on practicing smoothness and stability, and then the speed will come. So for the last section, he said I don't care about the speed, you don't have to get to the limit, just pick your line, identify your hazard, pick your line and your plan, and be very precise with it. And just slowing down, you know, 5-10 miles an hour, instead of being, you know, trying to get to the limit, just slowing down a little bit. Means you can focus on getting that right. And then towards the end, I was working quite hard to find an overtake, because there was a car going quite slowly, but there was a lot of traffic coming the other way, so there was a lot of getting into the overtaking position, well, yeah, following position to overtaking position, seeing that there was nothing on and dropping back, and eventually I managed to do it. So I was quite pleased with that. I was quite pleased with the feedback. So what have I learned? That, you know, just slow down and practice certain aspects of the system. Do some deliberate practice. I'll wait for my feedback form now. He's going to email it to us. So yeah, I think it was money well spent. You're paying what, 65 quid for a full day's coaching and mentoring from a very highly qualified police motorcyclist. So in my mind, that's money very well spent. I think you get a lot out of it, and if you get a lot out of it, irrespective of your starting level and ability, because they will tailor it to what they can see. So I was paired up with another guy who had also done his IAM. Yeah, and I think he also got a lot out of it. At least that's the impression that I got. So the question isn't really why should you do a BikeSafe. Is there a good reason why you shouldn't do a BikeSafe? I don't think there is one. I think anybody would benefit from it, and I wish some of the courier and delivery businesses that operate in London would just invest the time and money, it's not a lot, to get their riders up to scratch and get them a little bit better trained, because they are a bit of a menace. Right, dear viewers, I hope this has been informative. I hope you have enjoyed watching my experience with the BikeSafe Workshop. I highly recommend, if you haven't done one, that you definitely do one, and even if you have done one, that you still do another one. I think, like I said, everybody benefits. This is actually the third time I've done one, I think, and every time I learn something new and I get something else to sort of practice. So even if you have already done one, but especially if you have not done one, look up your local, go on the BikeSafe website, just search BikeSafe on Google, and you will find a list of all the workshops that are available. Sometimes they are free or reduced cost, depending on the local authority. And go and do one. What have you got to lose? You've got a lot potentially to gain. And the worst that could happen is you don't enjoy it, but at least you've had a day out on the bike. So that'd be terrible, wouldn't it? In any case, as I said, thank you for watching and putting up with me. If you've enjoyed this, you might consider giving it a like, and if you haven't already done so, you can subscribe to the channel. And whatever you do, whether you like it or you don't like it, give me your feedback, leave a comment down below. Do some typing. Alright, in any case, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks very much, Bye bye for now. This is Noob out.